Hello to all, let's talk about the Prime Theme Designer. It is a new tool to help you build your custom themes easily. There are four highlights of this tool. The visual editor, of course, the main part. It gives you access to the complete token set, primitive, semantic, and per component tokens. You are able to visually design and edit them, and you will see the changes instantly on the showcase with support for light and dark modes as well. So the Figma 2 theme is the main topic of this video. The Figma UI kit is now fully integrated with the visual theme editor. So suppose that your designers have customized your brand, your theme with our UI kit, and at some point you may need to extract an actual theme file out of it. And this tool helps you, and I will show you how. And the migration assistant is very, very useful in case you are updating to a newer version and your theme is out of date and you are missing tokens. In that case, the migration assistant will parse your theme, find out the missing tokens, and helps you migrate them automatically. And the cloud storage is, of course, very nice to have so that you can access themes from anywhere, from any device. So to automate the handoff process, to show you how it is done, I worked with our design team and they sent me this video. Let's check this out. Now they are customizing the token file. This is a workflow from Figma. Now the idea is that here they're changing the primary colors for demo purposes. We are using Figma Token Studio, so that's a must. And nice thing about it is that we also work with the authors of Figma Token Studio. We provide them feedback and they provide us some best practices. So here the designer, owner, our lead designer, is changing the primary colors for rebranding. And of course, UI kit is not just about colors. It gives you full access to the entire token set, like borders, paddings, and everything, typography. So here's the tricky part. Now that token file is exported and set to the design team, which is, in my case, my responsibility to convert that token file. So here, assume that this is the file. Actually, he sent me over this. So now let's go to the main page, like somewhere where you can see a couple of components. I'm authenticated. Let's create a new theme. Figma. It can be anything like your organization name. Choose the token here, the one that's exported. Hit the create. Now I'm able to see that those changes are now applied. And if you go to the buttons, everything has been mapped to the actual token file. And I can now customize it further here, or I can just say, okay, our design is always done in Figma. So I can just choose download. And the theme file I have generated is the JS and TypeScript, so which I can move this as a developer to my project, and that is done. It's just a couple of seconds. I'm now able to convert my Figma UI kit theme to an actual theme. It may seem like a couple of seconds, but it took, like, from idea to implementation, it took us like a year. So a lot of work has been done, and hope you like it, this automated handoff process. Thank you for joining me.